What's up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily market close update. It is Thursday, April 9th, 2026. And wow, what a session. The bulls came out swinging today. And the numbers tell the whole story. Let's jump right into the major indices. The S&P 500 closed at 679.91, climbing a solid 0.58%. The Nasdaq led the charge, up 0.68% to finish at 610.19. And the Dow Jones wasn't far behind, gaining 0.57% to close at 481.90. Green across the board, folks. You love to see it. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because there were some big movers today. Amazon absolutely stole the show, surging 5.6% to close at $233.65. That is a monster move for a mega cap name. Meta also had a fantastic day, climbing 2.61% to $628.39. Nvidia added a solid 1%, finishing at $183.91. Tesla ticked up 0.69% to $345.62. And Apple rounded things out with a 0.61% gain, closing at $260.49. 5 for 5 in the green today for the big tech leaders. Shifting over to commodities. And this is where the headlines really connect. Oil prices were on the move, with WTI crude jumping 1.91% to $126.96. Now that might sound counterintuitive given the geopolitical news. We'll get to that in a moment. Gold continued its climb, up 0.78% to $437.91. Silver outpaced gold today, rising 1.36% to $68.39. The precious metals complex remains strong heading into the spring. In the crypto space, Bitcoin pushed higher by 1.11%. It's now sitting at $71,802. Ethereum gained a more modest 0.37%, trading at $2,193.04. Bitcoin continues to hold firmly above that $70,000 level. Unfortunately, no Forex data to report today. But let's get into the headlines driving sentiment. The big story dominating markets is a reported US-Iran ceasefire plan. The BBC is reporting that this development sent shares jumping across global markets. Investors Business Daily is calling it a bull turn sparked by the Iran truce news. This geopolitical shift is clearly giving investors renewed confidence in risk assets. That Amazon move and the broader rally likely have roots right here. In other interesting news, the CEO of Kalshi was on NBC Sports. He outlined the differences between prediction markets and traditional sportsbooks. It's a growing space worth watching as these platforms gain mainstream traction. So what a day. Geopolitics, mega cap strength, and commodity moves all converging into one very bullish session. The market clearly likes what it's hearing on the diplomatic front. Looking ahead, keep an eye on how oil prices react if ceasefire details become more concrete. Watch whether Amazon can hold on to these gains in tomorrow's session. And monitor Bitcoin as it continues to flirt with new levels above 70,000. That's your market close for April 9th. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you right back here tomorrow.